32-bit wireless mic that I definitely recommend you getting is the Hollyland Lark Max 2. This thing comes with a headphone, which is the first of its kind. A wireless headphone is insane. So I got super excited when I heard about that, and that alone made me want to get this mic. I've been using their tiny little mic for a long time, but they finally came out with a professional model. This is Hollyland's flagship professional wireless mic that has 32-bit internal recording. It has 8 GB of internal storage space. You get 32-bit audio for 14 hours. That's a lot. 32-bit audio, obviously, if you start peaking and you get too loud, you could easily fix it. It's like raw audio. It's like raw photos. If you mess up, it can be fixed. We're just gonna get awesome audio all the time. Okay, so this thing comes with We Are Here For You. Let's open this up. Oh yeah. So everything comes in this bundle. Everything is in here. Comes in a nice little pouch. All right, so this pouch looks awesome. I love it. Hi, my baba. Excuse me. Appa's doing my YouTube video. Come say hi. Say hi. Hi. Say hello. Say hi. Say subscribe to my video. Okay. Appa's making my YouTube video. Go. He's the reason why I make these YouTube videos. I'm driven to make sure I take care of my baba, my boy. This pouch is awesome, man. I'm so excited about this wireless mic. Now, because it comes with 2 headsets, you could use both of them if you want to. Just use one of them if you want to, but you could give the second one to your teammate if you guys don't mind sharing earbuds. But the great thing about that is that finally, for the first time ever, when I shoot weddings, I got the wireless mic connected to my camera, to the efficient, to the DJ. It's all over the place. I never could get to check. I would have to go to my camera, stop what I'm doing. I'm on my gimbal, and I have to be like, okay, it's working. So I stopped doing it. I just I don't have time to check it. I'm just praying to God that it's working. Please, Lord, make it work. So, in 99.9% of the time, it's fine. But that 0.1% that it's not fine, you can make sure you get 100% with this set right here. Let's open this up. The Hollyland Lark Max 2 could also record up to 4 transmitters, but the headphone that you get, it will only work with 2. Oh, that's cool. And also, even though it does connect to your Hollyland, it's also a standard Bluetooth headset. Look at that, man. Just the quality of it. Just this alone. This alone should be like $300 or something. But you know what? I've never even seen a headphone like this. How do you even... Oh, it just cups around the ear. It just kind of hangs there, and then you could adjust it so it goes in. It doesn't go inside your ear like a regular headbud does. So that's kind of cool. That's neat. It's very comfortable. Right there. Pop that back in. Let's go and get this sucker charged. Oh yeah. Definitely, if you got an Nikon ZR that does 32-bit internal recording, you definitely want a 32-bit wireless mic to use with. Jeez, that looks nice. The material finish is super smooth. Every year when a new product comes out, the plastic material seems to feel better and better. It feels good quality. The Hollyland is awesome because it is so tiny. This tiny little thing to record internally is insane. And the best part is that even though it doesn't have a 3.0mm jack, you could use a lapel mic with an adapter. Oh man, that just looks nice. The Hollyland Lark Max 2 transmitter has a clever design. The clip is curved and away from the mic, so the mic part doesn't rub on your neck like other mics do. The clip also has teeth on both sides, so when it snaps onto your shirt, you can't pull it out that easily. You can also insert this magnet and use a small but strong magnet to hold it in place. It comes with 2 3.5mm cable. Dead cats that you get to put on the top. It clips on. I've been using clip-ons lately. When I use a magnet and I put it on a client, they just pull it. And then when they pull it, of course, the magnet just pops up and flies somewhere, and there's no way you're gonna find the tiny little magnet. No more losing magnets. And they also give you a lightning cable. Interesting. So guys, I definitely recommend this Hollyland Lark Max 2. One of the best wireless mic to get. You definitely need to upgrade to 32-bit audio if you haven't done that yet, if you're a serious videographer. So I got the link below, and if you buy it from me, thank you so very much for your support.